Ha ha ha! I'm here, and today I have for you this spinning pen. So I have this spinning pen over here. This thing is Chinese, and I have done a review on it and done a waterproof test. So I found this rubber over here. These rubber rings, they are especially given for the dropping thing actually, and if this thing drops it will not break. So today I'm going to test it out, does this break or not. So for that, it's actually a durable test. So for that I'm going to drop it 100 times and see if it breaks or not. So I think you would have fun seeing this, and hope you like the video. So let's do it then. So let's start then. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So after 50 fall, it does not have any scratches or any damage at all. Everything looks fine. No joints are broken. So let's do more 50 drops. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 96, 97, 99, 100. So after 100 drops it's still in one piece. Now I'm going to give some additional drops like 10 to 12 drops and see if it affects it or not. 101, 102, 103, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. So after 110 drops there's not even a scratch. This part moves a little and it's loosened up, so I've tried it. So it's still in one piece, there's not even a scratch on it. So this thing can be called durable from my part of testing it. So it's not like the fidget spinners that broke down after a few drops and the bearing stopped working. So there you go, a Chinese spinning pen or a fidget pen. Hope you like the video and thanks for watching.